Hey guys, so let's talk about time farm today. Now, time farm is another project I'm bullish on. I've been doing time farm for a long while now. So, if you haven't started time farm, you can get started. It's never too late. The link will be in the description. And let's get straight into the tutorial and the update that time farm has dropped, right? So, now the first thing is that you need to be logging to your time farm every day. So, check my time farm now. It says, hey there, your daily reward 50,000. Come back every day to claim reward, right? Then keep your streak alive and watch your reward grow. So I'm claiming 50,000 now. Now, this is my this is not my time frame balance actually because I've staked and right here it's saying I should claim. Now, the first thing you need to do is just claim your points. It will add to my point now and then continue mining. Time farm is not one of those tap projects. All you need to just do is claim, come back every depending on your watch. This one for me is 8 hours. So I'll come back every 8 hours and I'll claim and I'll continue mining. Now, like I said, if you don't log in every day, if you leave your time farm for many days, like 3 days or 4 days, you see that your points will begin to reduce. You leave it for like 2 weeks or a month without logging in, you might not even see any of your points again because time farm has brought out, they said in the announcement that you need to be logging in every day if you want to keep your seconds. If you don't log in every day, they will burn it will basically you lose your points. Now, another thing is if you come here to upgrade, this is where you can upgrade your clock. If you have enough money, upgrade your clock. Now you see I've passed regular clock, modern clock passed, techno clock passed, joker clock passed, engine clock, space clock, pump watch. So this is currently the highest watch, which is for 30 million seconds, and I'm on it right now. So make sure if you have enough money, get to the highest clock, but it will increase your mining rate and gives you more rewards. Then another thing is, like I said, you should stake. Always keep staking. So if you come over to N, go to staking, you see that I have 200 million that I'm staking right here, and I'll claim after a few days. Now, before you stake for 3 days, you could be getting like I think 15% or so, or 5%. But now they have reduced it to like 0.5% because, like I said, time farm is getting closer to their TGE and airdrop listing date. So TGE airdrop listing. So the earlier you get started or the earlier you take it seriously, the better for you. Some people are saying by next month, December, time farm going to list airdrop, but time farm have not yet announced officially yet. So basically, it's a reminder to go back to your Telegram, take your time farm seriously. Some of you have stopped mining. Some of you have not opened your Telegram in like 2 3 weeks because probably one project not did you well, maybe X Empire or Amstar or cats on one project just did you gave you not enough, then you think other projects are like that. Don't be like that. Other projects can also give you even more money, right? Just be persistent basically and be committed to the craft and try not to do too many projects. Just choose like 10 that you take seriously, and if your capacity is 5, just take that 5 very seriously. I know that you are putting your all into this 5. For me, I'm doing about 20 that I'm taking pretty seriously. At least I go to all of them almost every day. So basically, crypto space is not for the weak. If you are new to crypto, I'm also kind of new, but not so new. So I know that we're already in the bull run. Bitcoin is already going to $90,000. Everything is going up. If you have done some airdrop in the past, your Amstar is up now. Your X Empire, they are all up now. Your cats, all these projects, some of them have not started pumping, but all of them will see pump. Your dogs, all of them will start pumping. So if you have not sold your coins, your airdrop, you can hold it because they will all go up in the bull run as it has started now. And like people will say, Bitcoin will soon enter 100,000 and even higher. So position yourself in this crypto space. There are monies to be made in the crypto space, right? And if you don't have any money to invest, then airdrops is your way. Free money, just do some tax, they'll give you free money. Try to do the best you can do, and then make the most money out of it. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. If you don't like this video yet, don't forget to like and comment your how many time farm seconds do you have, how many points do you have, how long have you been doing time farm, how many do you have, and um there's another feature in time farm for bot. It's I think 1.1 ton. I didn't buy that bot because I didn't really have that funds. If you have the funds, you can get it, but not a financial advice. Then also, I made a podcast video with my friends about how we got started into crypto, what we did about crypto, what how we got started into Telegram airdrops, the first airdrops we made, how much we made, some of those things. You can watch that video. It's going to play up next right now. Watch the video, and with that said, I'll see you in the next video.